Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing trains at Ackers Park. Today we'll be seeing some Chiltern Railways and Westminster Railway and maybe some freight. There's a little bicycle over there. Or maybe you can see some canals coming through there. And I'll see you till the next train passes. Okay, that's a 172/0. 172-007. Oh, that's the same train that I rode to, is it Pop 1? Yeah, Pop 1. From Spring Road to Moose Street. And I'll see you until another train comes. Passes. 168, 168, 217. That's the Chiltern Railway service to, I think it's like Birmingham Moore Street. Oh yeah, it's Birmingham Moore Street. Yeah, it's definitely Birmingham Moore Street. That is the... Okay, here comes the 172. It's 172/0 again. 172-006 and 172-002. That 002 is the same train that we went from Spring Road to Moose Street again. That was the other side of the train. And I'll see you for the next video. Bye.